15 Early Signs of Heart Disease You Need to Know. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in men and women in the United States. In this video, I will show you 15 early signs of heart disease so you can get treatment before it's too late. I'm not trying to scare you, but heart disease is real. It's the leading cause of death in both men and women in the United States. But there's good news, most cases of heart disease are preventable. So please, pay attention and share this information with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But did you know that if it is detected early, it can be treated? Knowing the early signs of heart disease can help protect yourself and your loved ones. We will discuss the 15 early signs of heart disease you should never ignore and some tips to help you prevent heart disease. Heart disease is a severe condition that can lead to life-threatening complications. The earlier it is detected, the better your chances are of successful treatment. Here are 15 early signs of heart disease to be aware of. 1. Chest pain. Discomfort or pressure in the center of your chest may signal a potential problem with your heart health. 2. Shortness of breath. This can occur even during light physical activity and may represent a warning sign of underlying issues in the heart or lungs. 3. Abnormal heartbeat. An irregular heartbeat, arrhythmia, could indicate an issue with your heart muscle or electrical system that requires medical attention. 4. Fatigue. Feeling exhausted during everyday activities may mean you're not getting enough blood flow to the organs due to clogged arteries in the heart. 5. Swelling in extremities. Unusual swelling in the feet, ankles, legs, abdomen, or neck can be attributed to the excess fluid being directed away from the lungs and other significant organs by inadequate blood circulation. 6. Lightheadedness or dizziness. This symptom could show up due to decreased oxygen supply throughout the body caused by blocked arteries or reduced cardiovascular function overall. 7. Coughing more frequently. If coughing becomes persistent, it could be because extra fluid has accumulated around your lungs due to weakened heart capacity for pumping blood through the body's organs and tissues properly over time. 8. Loss of appetite/nausea. Reduced appetite may be accompanied by nausea. As other symptoms, you should watch out for when it comes to heart health issues developing over time without proper care, and preventive measures are taken regularly from early detection onward. 9. Inability to exercise. Feeling more tired than usual after exercising, even after having exercised for shorter periods at lower intensity levels, runs parallel with reduced energy levels when having restricted amounts available for heart muscle contraction along with more insufficient oxygen supply due to its pathways being blocked off early on along such process. 10. Unexplained weight gain. A sudden but unexplained weight increase linked directly or indirectly with one's unhealthy lifestyle choices. Bad dietary habits combined with a bit of exercise can present itself quite clearly, while suggesting potential problems regarding one's current state of cardiac functioning towards cardiac output level drops down detectably as well. 11. White spots on fingernails. Also known as koilonychia, this phenomenon mentions visibility reflecting upon some anemia likely present within humans suffering from severe cases, especially with coronary artery disease running under conditions requiring urgent medical professionals' attention. 12. Chronic cough with phlegm. Chronic coughs typically come about due to certain inflammations arising inside airways leading into chest areas finding themselves having been given cause for producing excessive amounts produced, especially amongst affected persons who previously had long-time contacts made with certain virus particles staying particularly active among them, further worsening existing conditions outlined beforehand. Hereabouts 2. 13. Bluish skin color around the nails. Noticing bluish discolorations emitted from fingertips ends will most probably establish links between oxygen deprivation inside relevant internal systems and apparent restricted circulatory functions. Attributed mainly towards congestive heart failure stages currently occurring among patients receiving similar treatments into common categories present nowadays still. 2. 14. difficulty sleeping at night or sleeping too much during daytime hours. Suffering occasional bouts related to insomnia frequently combined run alongside shallowness caused by breathing difficulties during sleep point strongly towards having slightly less available circulating air passages majorly being obstructed off, leaving the patient feeling tired before night arrives right away potentially anyhow soon afterward only maybe so. 15. Constant thirst without reason to drink fluids. Finding yourself wanting higher quantities drinking fluids that seem like they never get quenched regardless of how hard you tried controlling yourself shows clear signs belonging indicated towards water salt imbalance context brought about mainly caused arterial hypertension developments either generally localized happening internally too likewise fine enough accordingly then shouldn't miss whatsoever too. Heart disease is a severe disease that affects many people. Early detection of these symptoms is the best way to increase your chance of successful treatment and recovery. It's essential to invest in getting regular checkups such as echocardiograms and electrocardiograms, as well as healthy habits like eating right and exercising regularly. By consistently caring for yourself, you can reduce your risk of developing heart disease or its complications. With the proper steps, you can significantly lower the likelihood that you'll had to face life-threatening issues. Remember the importance of paying close attention to signs that indicate poor heart health and take action quickly if any arise. So, like, subscribe, and comment below to show your support and to stay up to date on everything related to heart health through our social media account.